In this video, we'll demonstrate how to delete your Facebook page. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. You may want to delete their Facebook page due to concerns about privacy and data security, as Facebook has faced multiple controversies related to user data handling. Additionally, some individuals may want to reduce their online presence or break free from the distractions and addictive aspects of social media. So, let's check out the procedure. To begin, ensure you are logged into the Facebook account associated with the page you wish to delete. If you're not already on the Facebook page you want to delete, follow these steps. Click on the menu button, which can typically be found in the bottom right or top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see the Pages option and tap on it. Select the specific page you wish to delete by tapping the Switch button next to its name. You'll now be on the page you want to delete. Once you are on the correct page, follow these steps to access the page settings. Tap the menu button again, usually located in the bottom right corner. Look for the gear or cog icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear or cog icon and wait for the settings page to load. Now, on the settings page, follow these steps to find the option to delete your page. Scroll to the top of the settings page where you see Settings and tap on it. To make it easier to locate the page deletion option, use the search bar and type Delete. When the search results appear, look for an option that says something like Delete your page name, page, and information, and tap on it. Be patient as it loads. You will now be presented with two options. Deactivate your page for a temporary solution or proceed with the deletion process. If you are certain you want to permanently delete your page, tap here. Before proceeding, it's essential to take precautions by saving any data or content you might want in the future, such as messages or posts. Tap Continue to confirm your decision to delete the page. Facebook may offer you some options, such as saving posts, downloading your information, or transferring your data. Review these choices, but if you are sure you want to delete your page, click Continue at the bottom. Finally, for security purposes, you will need to enter your Facebook password to confirm your decision to delete your page. Once entered, click Confirm. That's it. Your Facebook page will be deleted, and you'll be signed out of the page. Please be aware that Facebook may retain your data for a brief period before permanently removing it. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.